Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Tronics channel where we're going to tinker and learn. Today, we're going to be working with Windows 11. I downloaded a leaked copy and I just wanted to get in on it and see for myself what we have. Alright, so some of the first things I'm going to do is I'm not really happy with this resolution. So I'm going to see if I could fix the display. Well, let me see if I can get us the maximum window, if you know what I mean. 100% color night. Let's see. I am going to go for 1920 by 1080. Yes, we're going to keep these changes, and I'm going to roll with that. So it's kind of similar, very similar to Windows 10. Now, I wonder, I like everything over here, so I wonder if I can move this over. Let's see, taskbar settings. So you will need to activate Windows before you can personalize this PC. Oh well. Oh well. So can I even, let's see, what we have is the settings, we have the store, we have Microsoft Edge. Let's see if we have what we have for the File Explorer. The icons look nice and different. See what we got for this PC. Let's see if I can map a network drive. I'm gonna map my O drive. All right, wonderful. I was able to map it to my drive. Now, one of the first things I would do with this is I want to know if I could get Chrome going on this and how easy that would be. Now I'm gonna just do this. All right, so we're gonna see if we can run this Chrome setup so that I can have like my favorite browser and I can log in and all that good stuff. And I mean, this is a good opportunity. Just to let you know that I'm running this on VMware Player, and it's running pretty quick. I'm pretty impressed. The installation was pretty quick. Now, I'm going to close out of that. All right, so I'm going to log in on this. Great. I'm in now. I have Chrome working on it. Let's move forward. All right, beautiful. I got all my stuff mapped. So integrating into Windows 11 is not a problem at all. I'm actually looking forward to it. It's not a perfect straight through integration, but it works for me. I'm going to be exploring it a little bit more. Let's see. So I could expand it, maybe do this, you know, I wonder if we have the dark theme. We need to use the dark theme. All right. So I can I could get groovy with this. I could get groovy with this. Let's see if you wanted to say pin Chrome, you could pin it to the taskbar just like that. Integration as well, it just kind of pulls in all the information that I need. I could get around. This is optimally quick. I got everything you could possibly want out of Windows. It's pretty smooth. So I mean, right off the bat, I didn't have any issues with it. No slowdowns, nothing. Installation went pretty quick, and this is running this on a off of a basically an NVMe drive, but it's a virtual machine. Let's see. Let's explore some more. See, we get the Microsoft Store. We do some PC games, iTunes, and a lot of stuff is free. So yeah, so that's cool. See, what's this thing? Widgets. So you get a bigger widgets thing. Gives you the weather, money markets, NBAs, top stories. And it just goes on and on and on like that. So if you guys have anything that you guys want to see, it has the standard stuff like Windows security, Bluetooth devices, speakers. Okay, I'm just behind myself now. Um, your clock, the clock is behind me, basically. So it's user friendly. I have no issue with it, except I'm gonna make everything dark when I get my license for it. See here. I have to activate this before I can personalize this. How can I activate this? What do I need to activate this? How much does it cost right now? Let's just see for the sake of argument. Windows reported that no product key was found in your device. Error code. Blah, 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 blah. Edition Windows 11 Pro. So I'm going to go to the store and see if they have a product key, because I really do want the product key to this. I'm not kidding. But they're selling Windows 10 Pro still. So we're going to have to wait a little bit. And that's basically it. So hey, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Feel free to visit all my links. Feel free to subscribe. Feel free to stay on board with us and stay up to date. We'll try to get up on this technology stuff and keep it moving. So that's basically it for me. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day, and don't forget to hit the like button.